If something is not working in the HPLC, you will notice immediately, since the chromatograph will not be within the parameters, or they will not be reproducible, in the same analytical session and in the previous ones. What does it look like when a chromatogram presents some problems? We will have a memory or carryover effect, when the components of a previous analysis appears in the new chromatogram. This is possible due to components adhering to the tubes, connections and column materials that are being released in the following analysis. Luckily, modern instruments have a very low carryover. Also, the phantom peaks are components appearing at random in the following analysis. This can be due to the contamination of a sample, mobile phase, or the system, or because of an error of the sample preparations. If the previous problems appear, I suggest you to carefully clean the column and the system. If needed, even change the mobile phase. Other problems can be identified from reading the chromatogram. Such problems involve the system or the column. Here are some examples. Usually, chromatograms appear in the symmetric shape of a Gaussian curve. It can happen, however, that peaks are deformed. There are two kinds of asymmetries, called fronting and tailing. We can talk about fronting when the front part of the peak is steeper than the following side. Or better, the slope of the front part is smaller than the following side. It can be caused by excessive injection volume or canalization of analytical column sites in preferential channels. In such cases, a reduction in the volume of the injected sample is necessary and/or to wash the column. As a last resort, the column can be substituted. In tailing, the second part of the peak is steeper than the first half. This problem can be caused by different factors. Let's see the most relevant ones: excessive injection volume, badly packed columns, unpacking of the column, interactions with the silica of the column, degradation of the column caused by pH or temperature, not indigenous fitting, coelution of the interfering peak, sample solvent not compatible with the mobile phase, low detector response, dirt in the injector radius.